So we're using a Mazer robur for this one. It's an overkill, but so this is the 3H bummer with the Mazer grinds. Okay. So earlier it was very fast, and pressure wouldn't go up. So this is the 3H bummer. And this is with the Mazer. So that's the 3H bummer basket. So basically the one of this is not fine enough, or I think the bursts are already dull. It can still work, as you can see it can work, but if you're giving this away you might just want to make them stick to the pressurized basket with this grinder, and you can give the 3H bummer for them to use if they ever have if they get the chance to use a espresso grinder. So that's pretty much it. Might be not sure how much is the replacement or burst, but again it's still usable just with the pressurized basket.